Updating your payment method on LoungeKey is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current and secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the LoungeKey website or open the LoungeKey app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account or Profile section. Click on it to find the Payment Settings or Billing Information option. Step 3. Select Update Payment Method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter new payment information. Input your new payment details, including card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, look for a Save or Confirm button. Click it to finalize the update and ensure your new payment method is active. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation regarding the update. Keeping your payment information current helps ensure uninterrupted access to LoungeKey services.